Marrying the wrong person. Yeah, I get so kilig over the smallest things. You know why? Why, with all the honesty. Because my ano kasi.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
Um, Marrying the wrong person. Yeah, I guess that's my biggest fear because ako kasi I'm the type of person na, I don't know, I'm a hopeless romantic, guys. And, yeah, like, and ayoko na like in the future, because I really imagine myself, like, sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, okay lang, wala akong, as in, umabot ako sa point na parang, I told my parents na, ma, pa, it's okay if wala akong partner in life, but I cannot not live without having my kids. But it's not my own kids. I'd be willing to adopt because I wanna help orphans, and in a way I can help them by adopting. Basta lang in life, I have to have my own kid, my kid. Like I cannot imagine myself not having a kid in life. Yeah. Kaya yun. That's why I'm scared na I'm gonna marry the wrong person because like especially if I marry the person and then we have kids and then yun. Na kahit gaano kalinis and gaano kaganda yung intentions mo, but if the other person does not reciprocate it, then that's sad. I mean, if you have kids, I mean, di ba, you would want to have the kid to have like complete parents. Because it's different when you grow up just having the mother figure, even if the mother is like a father na, but yeah, it's different. It's different. That's why I'm really like every Christmas, every Christmas talaga, not just every Christmas, but all the time. But especially pag Christmas Day. Kaya I don't tell my parents to give me anything. Like, I tell them don't give me anything. Kasi as in, especially when like, yung patanda ng patanda, ganun. I realize na wow, I'm so blessed. Kasi it's Christmas Day. I have my parents with me. I have my brother with me. We're all celebrating together physically. It's a very priceless moment. Being able to eat dinner together, na masaya kami, and then complete kami, healthy kami. That is something that money cannot truly buy. So, ayun. Hmm. Kasi ako, I mean, I'm a, not, I used to say I'm a type of person that's date to marry, but more like dating with intentions. Kasi I mean if I stick with date to marry, parang for me siguro kasi it's prone to being blind. For me lang ha, kasi yung parang you stick so much with the okay, date to marry, I date to marry, I date to marry. So kahit medyo yung guy paranoid, I date to marry, I date to marry. So parang in a way blinded ka na parang no, because I really date to marry kahit marami ng red flags yung guy, but no, I date to marry, I date to marry. But yeah, I date with pure intentions. Yun na lang. Kasi, of course, you'd want to end up in the end goal, which is marriage, but you don't want to sacrifice yourself and, make it one-sided if. Basta, yun. Anyways, next question. I'll do last one. Kasi it's 11:31 and what's the last moment that made you feel kilig? Eee! Ay, hinahype mo sarili. Kailan ba? Ngayon, kinikilig ako. No, but I'm kilig just thinking about that. Kailan ba? Wait, what do you mean with kilig? Wait, what's my definition of kilig? Kilig is when like you're, I don't know, like blushing, you're gushing, blushing, and you're happy. Yung parang ganun. Yung parang may spark. And it's not it doesn't mean like kilig, like romantically kind. And I get kilig like when someone thinks about me. Like example, oh, I got you this because, I know you like this. Because I know you're a fan of this, so made me think of you. That's why I got it for you. But really, really, thank you. Or like when someone supports me, not just for the sake of okay, I'll support you, but like genuinely supports me in what I do. Like example, um, or basta like anything that's very thoughtful that makes me very very kilig. As in, yeah, like especially the most creative, witty, or like yung parang hindi ikaw mismo hindi mo maisip na parang okay. It could be the smallest things. Like example, like hey, I ordered you, like hey, I know you like spicy food, and I know that you just mentioned how you ran out of this particular spicy, sauce, so I got you that. Kahit yun lang, parang, parang, wait, what? How'd you know? Because I saw in your pantry na wala na, ubos na. Yung mga ganon, like yung mga, genuine small things. Yeah, the small things. It's the smallest things really that make you think of them. Hmm, diba? Yeah, I get so kilig over the smallest things. You know why? Because it's not the smallest thing after all. The smallest things are the biggest ones for me. Kasi, things na parang it magnifies the person's character, and it usually starts from there. Mm. Like, example, yung parang when when someone will not let you, example lang ha, when you're example with a guy, tapos the guy will not you walk on the side of the road. So he's in the out there, parang okay, where he opens the door for you. Even though that is for me, that's a bare minimum, but I mean, gets you the kilig. Yeah, thoughtful gestures. Okay, next question. Yeah, naman kay nung nakatulog ka sa live. Yeah, okay, kinulig ako dun. Actually, kasi I didn't think na Miko would call me, and then that late. Oh, I remember din. There was a time na tulog ako kasi nakatulog ako kasi basta sobrang I remember I was so tired that time kasi I had school. I had to do stuff in between for school, assignment, and then after doing assignment, I have to rush to, I have to do training. Tapos, basta may ganap kami that time. Tapos pagka-uwi ko, as in nakatulog agad ako with makeup on. I was that tired, like, as in drop ko ng stuff, like, oh my God. As in, like, dead. That was it when I woke up. Mika's like removing my makeup. Yeah. Tapos ako nagulat ako. Sabi ko, kasi ganun ako. Tapos, that was when we were in Beanie House. Tapos sabi ko, akala ko kukunin ako ni Lord. Kasi, next thing I saw was Mika's face na, tapos nakaganon siya. So parang ako parang, Gano'n. As in, nagulat ako. Tapos she was removing my makeup pala. Um, Yan. Actually, has this, Mika has this, parang, siguro if people don't know Mika, parang first impression, siguro baka, oh, she's strong. Especially when we used to do lives. Tapos, kami lahat nagtatawan. Tapos, she would be in the corner. Parang, but actually, she's softy. Yeah, she's a very softy. Mabilis yan umiyak pag ano, like, you tell her stuff. Like mga, basta. Anyways, okay, next question. Next question. From now, 5 years from now, I'll be 27. Wow! Oh my god! I'll be 27. Okay, realistically, and with all honesty, I hope 5 years from now, um, I have something under my name. By that I mean, I hope I own something, a business. Hopefully, Lord, I hope I have a. I hope. I mean, pangarap lang. I hope ano, my own house na ako. Yeah. I hope my own I hope it's either I have or I can have both. I hope I will have my own house, business, and then I hope by that time I will have my own car and know how to drive. and yes, tama Ate Sai. Artsy Sai. Ay, Artsy Sai. Artsy Aya pala. I hope makagraduate ako. And then I hope, with all honesty, because my ano kasi, I want to have my own family kasi na by 30. So, I mean, I hope I found the one when I'm 27 or 28. Kasi, yeah. Because, what they say, I mean, in life, I mean, basta, ayoko magsalita ng, I don't want to jinx myself. But, basta yun. I hope no heartbreaks by that time. Wow! Yeah, I hope I will be happy. I mean, I am happy. Just that I hope I'm not just happy, but also the person having me will be happy. Yeah. But, guys, malayo pa yun. Okay? Yeah. Focus muna tayo sa motion bukas. But, yeah. Anyways,